Welcome back. This is Monday Night Racing. This is the Hot Rods 2020 Club Championship. Let's get into it. First up, we have Show Me State Scale Auto Racing and that mighty 32 Ford. 3 wins in a row. They're holding the club championship right now. Can they make it 4? Stay tuned. And next up, we have Jim Leichenring. He's driving the Street Creeper. This thing is fast, it is mean, and it won't take no for an answer. Does Jim and the Street Creeper have the goods to take on the 32 Ford? Let's find out.
Race 1. Racing in a mighty 32 Ford. Oh, a bit of a kiss there.
Not sure if that was a kiss or a slap in the back and say, mate, I'm out to get ya. Show Me State with the first win tonight.
Race 2. Winner, Jim Leichenring in the Street Creeper.
A very late charge there by Jim Leichenring in the Street Creeper. All squared up out of race 2.
Race 3. Oh, they're slipping and sliding around here. That's a big D and F. Can we get 2 tray trucks and teams back to the start gate?
Not wrong, MC, about slipping and sliding. These guys are crazy and mean business.
Race 4. Winner! Show Me State Scale Auto Racing in the 32 Ford. Oh, look at him go backwards there.
Another great race by the 32 Ford, and he does hit that back wall. Look how far back he goes.
Race 5. Leichenring in the Street Creeper. Oh, look at him slamming at that back wall.
Not wrong, MC. That was another big hit against that back wall. They're going to need some suspension upgrades after this race. All squared up out of race 5.
Race 6. Winner! Jim Leichenring in the Street Creeper. Oh, a big slam in the back wall.
Congratulations, Jim Leichenring in the Street Creeper. You have your first win here on Hot Rods in the 2020 Club Championship. Show Me State, we'll see you back here on MWR in another rod soon. Show Me State is still out front with 3 wins. Jim gets his first. There's still a long way to go in the 2020 Club Championship. Let's wrap it up.
Put the place up.
Well, nothing is ever certain here on MWR. The 32 Ford goes out hard. Look at that. Hits that wall. Does a 360. The Street Creeper's right at him. The 32 Ford floors it here going down the straight and gets his first win. Beautiful looking car. Nice driving. And he's not frightened to hit that back wall again. Let's head into race 2. And the Street Creeper, he's out fast. Look at him go up high out of turn 1. He's having trouble. He's doing a 360. Still got the speed, but here comes the 32 Ford. Floors it round turn 2. He's got a clear line to the finish, but check this late charge out by Jim and the Street Creeper. Wow, there's some pace in that car. This is race 4, and Jim's going backwards. I don't know what he's doing. I think he's playing games with the 32 Ford and going, mate, I can do anything that you can and better. But hey, the 32 Ford just floors it, crosses the line, no problems. And another big hit on that back wall. Look how far back he goes. We pick up the action right down the back out of race 5. The Street Creeper's right in the slipstream of the 32 Ford. He's putting pressure on him. Look at that. He's not going to let go. Look at this. Look at this little manoeuvre. Just pushes the 32 Ford over. Powers down the line. Well, Jim and the Street Creeper are all squared up out of race 5. I'm very surprised. It's good to see solid racing like this for Jim and the Street Creeper. First time on Mount Western Raceway. Here is race 6. Jim has a bit of a struggle there. The 32 Ford tries to catch up, but just lets go. The Street Creeper's across the line. Well, there you go. Some fantastic racing right here on Mount Western Raceway. Jim Leichenring and the Street Creeper, the current club champion. Here he is, your new club champion, Jim Leichenring and the Street Creeper, all the way from the USA. Look at him, proud as punch, holding that cup up high. Stay tuned for next Thursday night. We have Scorpio Love Smith in the stylish Austin Healey. He's driving for NZ Racing right out of New Zealand. Scorpio Love Smith, Austin Healey, Thursday nights 5 p.m. Aussie time. Catch you then.